Hi, this is me, the queen of a bee colony. I'm going to show you a quick presentation of bees. I'm like the center of the colony. I'm an essential part of the hive because I am the only developed female in the hive. My only job is the reproduction. Let's take a look on my evolution. The former queen bee died, so I was chosen to be the next queen. Why? Because when I was an egg, a larva, I ate royal jelly, a substance made by the workers that can transform a normal egg into a queen's egg. After I was born, 16 days later, I had to do something terrible. I had to kill the other queen bee's competitors. Then I had to go outside to do the mating flight, an essential stage where I had plenty of sexual relations with the drones, the only male bees of a hive. Then I began to lay. During the laying, I chose of an egg give birth to a worker or to a drone. The drones don't represent a huge part of the hive. They have only one job, the procreation. My other babies are the workers. They constitute the center of the function of the hive. During their life, their task will change many times, passing nurse to forager, and without any learning. Their genes contain all the knowledge of their ancestors. Then, the workers permit a unique thing, the pollination. They permit the reproduction of vegetable species. But I noticed that with other queen bees friends, we lost bees. Scientists will call this phenomenon the colony collapse disorder, or CDD. For example, in the United States, 50% of all colonies disappear. Our bees are facing a lot of factors which contribute to their extinction. First, so many predators very dangerous, like the Asian hornet. It grabs bees and dismembers them with their mandibles. But it also exists many pathogens from the origin of serious diseases, viruses, funguses, bacteria, and mites that are very dangerous, like the varroa destructor, which feeds off the hemolymph of larvae to exhaust them and transmit their terrible viruses, which can be deadly. Furthermore, the man participates also to this disaster mainly because of pesticides, which their molecules block their neurotransmission, which contributes to the paralysis of their nervous system and so the death. Finally, the global warming plays also a role on the CDD because it favorizes the development of both the bees, pathogens, and predators. If this continues, other bees may disappear totally. Then our ecosystem will be in great trouble. Indeed, bees are called the sentinel of our environment because they are a real pillar of our world. Without bees, the whole alimentary chain would be disturbed, but above all, plants wouldn't be pollinated anymore, so they couldn't reproduce and would disappear then. In consequence, much of the food we eat, like fruit, vegetables, and some crops necessary for the meat and dairy production, will see their production reduce or even totally stop. Furthermore, a part of the economy is based on pollination, so all the industry will fall. But fortunately, there are also solutions to stop this extinction, like forbidding pesticides, as governments are currently trying to do after years and years of inaction. Other solutions exist against other bee harming factors, like treatments against the varroa. Finally, you, can act to save you can act to save bee. There are many daily actions that can help bee. So maybe finally we could avoid the disaster of bee disappearance, but everybody needs to act.